Hi guys. Ignore that. My nail popped off. I need to glue that back on. But anyway, I wanted to do a project share. I know. I need to chill with the Traveler's Notebooks, but right now they're just the funnest thing for me to make. So I've been making a bunch of them. Sorry, my son's in here. So I have 3 to share, and so these 3 are with the mini composition notebooks that you can get at like Dollar Tree. And then this is a larger size. It's, I want to say, it's almost 4 by 5.5, the notebook size. So yeah, you can see how those compare. Okay, so these are made from the Santa's Delivery by Echo Park. It was a part of my paper stash smash, choice, and I'm not close to smashing it, but I am just going to share these because I made them and I'm going to post them to my Etsy. So if anyone is interested, they will be available there. Let's just go through these smaller ones first. So this one says The Season of Joy, and it has a little pink candy. The dangles are all the same on these smaller ones. They're just like little. I didn't want them to be too chunky or crazy. The seam binding is from My Scrap Cabin Shop, and then they all get a little tulle paper clip. So this is the first one. So that one's just a little cut apart that is on there. And then the notebooks have a pocket in the front with the tag. And I don't think I put a pocket in the back. Nope, no pocket in the back. But they all have a little front pocket, as well as like a little bit of embellishment on the front cover. And then the laminated folder. They have like a little 2x2 card, a journaling card, and then like a little extra tag. And then the last notebook with a tag. So that is the first one. Cute. This one is Sweetest Season. This one has a little Christmas tree charm. Cookies for Santa. I love making these. This one is like that little gingerbread shop. How cute is that? This 2x2 card. And this collection has a ton of 2x2 cut aparts. So that was fun. And this one says Candy Cane Kisses. Okay, so that is that one. Okay. And then this one, which might be my favorite, says Ho Ho Ho. I just love this pink Santa Claus one. Love it. So this one has a little Santa hat charm. How cute. So this has a little gingerbread guy. Oops. There's that pocket. Gingerbread Junction, the big guy. Sorry, my son is playing with Magna Tiles right next to me. And a little tag. And Ho Ho Ho.
Ho ho ho.
Who says that?
Me.
No,
You.
it's Santa.
Santa.
Santa. Okay, and then here is the big one that I made. So this one says, hang a shining star upon the highest bow, I think. And then this one, I did do a chunky dangle. So there's a little present charm at the bottom. And then there's like a little bow, a little candy, some peppermint swirl type ones, and then some bells. So it's nice and jingly. And then it has a little pink snowflake charm. I like to do 2 colors of the seam binding when I make the bigger size. I'll just do. And then this one has a bunch of goodies poking up on the top. So yes. Okay, so yes, some random extra tags that I have from different Christmas collections. I made a little, what are these called? Dashboard? I mean, it's really just a bookmark, so maybe not, but it has some seam binding and an eyelet on there. And then there is back pockets as well. This one's just a little, you know, cut apart that I put right there. Another tag. Back pocket. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. This is just like a larger tag that I put on white. This is from a different collection. It says postcard to Santa, which I thought was very cute. This is the cut apart from this collection, and this is another just random pink like Christmas ephemera that I had that I thought was cute. And this ribbon, how cute is that ribbon? That was from Dollar Tree. And then this is the last notebook with a little tag and the back pocket.
That's all.
What?
That's all.
Yeah, we're all done. Okay, so that was that one. So yes, those are what I've made so far. I think with the rest of the collection, I might try to do like some sort of a folio or, baby, can you move your head? Type like a folio or something like that, but, all right, say, come here, say, thanks for watching.
Thank you, Maxie.
Bye.
Bye.
Do you want to wave your hands? Good job. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, these will be available in my Etsy shop if you're interested in purchasing, which I will have linked down in the description bar. This size, there is a tutorial from Carolina's Crafts of how she does this. This one, I didn't follow a tutorial. I just kind of measured up based on the notebooks I was using. Maybe a tutorial already exists and I just hadn't seen it, but yeah, I mean, I just, you know, adjusted what I do for these for, you know, smaller. Although I did make the spine smaller, because these notebooks are a little thinner. But I'll link the notebooks that I use for these down in the description bar. You can buy them in bulk and you can get a big pack of them. So anyway, okay, that was everything. Have a good day. Bye.